have been vital in bringing this forum to life. I'd also like to extend our appreciation to our dedicated suppliers, whose collaboration and commitment have been instrumental in fueling our success. A special thank you to the Robinsons Department Store Operations and Marketing team for your tireless efforts behind the scenes, ensuring the seamless execution of this event. Your dedication does not go unnoticed. Of course, this event would not be as meaningful without the insights and expertise of our esteemed guest speakers. A warm thank you to Ms. Melanie Magboo from Binibining Marikit, Denise C. of Ever Belena, and Janine Gonzalez of Ecora for joining us today. Your leadership in the retail industry serves as an inspiration to many, and we are grateful for your time in sharing your knowledge and experiences with us and to all our attendees here today. As we explore the opportunities and challenges of entrepreneurship in the digital landscape, I encourage all of you to engage, learn, and share. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and with it, the possibilities for women entrepreneurs are limitless. Through knowledge sharing, networking, and collaboration, we have the power to break barriers and pave the way for a more inclusive and dynamic business environment. Once again, thank you for being here. Let's make today a day of empowerment, inspiration, and meaningful connections. Enjoy the forum, everyone, our Wonder Woman.
Thank you so much, Ms. Salcedo. Once again, palapakan natin Ms. Salcedo of the Robinsons Department Store. Thank you so much for that welcome remarks. And as she mentioned this morning, we'll be focusing on the state of entrepreneurship in the age of the digital era. Okay, so before we proceed to the main discussion parts, we'd also like to hear a partner's message. Now from the Quezon City local government. We'll be hearing it from the department head of Quezon City's Small Business and Cooperatives Development Promotions Office, a very supportive ally of all businesses in Quezon City. Please welcome on stage Ms. Mona Celine Yap.
Maika Teves, Executive Director of Spark Philippines, to Ms. Melanie, Ms. Janine, and Ms. Denise, my fellow panelists, Ms. Eliza Salcedo, Division Merchandise Manager for the Ladies Department, and to all the esteemed guests, an empowering morning to everyone. First of all, I would like to greet everyone a joyful and meaningful Women's Month. This is a time to celebrate and recognize the vital role of women in our society. I would also like to thank Spark Philippines and Robinsons Department Store for organizing this event and for inviting me to be part of this meaningful gathering. I also want to acknowledge my fellow panelists and of course,
Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to our distinguished guests and participants. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this inspiring gathering of trailblazing women entrepreneurs in the digital era. Today we come together to celebrate innovation, resilience,